Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by easing tension. Turn the fine tuner to loosen the G string, then gently back the peg a quarter to half turn so the string isn't under strain. You want the bridge and tailpiece stable. Make sure the instrument rests on a soft cloth and your chin or a clamp holds it steady. Once the string is slack, unwind or cut it close to the peg, remove any old winding, and clean the peg and peg box area. This prevents binding when fitting the new string. Now take the new G string and seat the ball or loop into the tailpiece notch or hook. Make sure it sits flush to avoid slippage. Thread the other end through the peg hole and pull until there's about 2 to 3 turns available on the peg. Too few causes slippage. Too many causes overlap. While winding, use your thumb to push the string end into the peg hole and wind so the wraps coil neatly downward toward the peg box. Tune gradually and watch string path over nut and bridge. Bring the new G up to pitch slowly in small increments with a tuner. Sudden full tension risks a break. Once near pitch, gently pull the string outward along its length 2 or 3 times to seat the windings and accelerate settling, then retune. Make sure the bridge stayed upright and the string sits in the groove at both nut and bridge. Adjust fine tuner for precise pitch. If the string keeps slipping, add a small amount of peg compound, reseat the winding, or increase wraps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.